Serial tracking allows you to track individual products against a serial number. When you create a sales order and add a product that is serial tracked, the system will prompt you to indicate which serial those products are being sold from. So here I'll enter 5 units of my deluxe peanuts, which is a serial tracked item. As soon as I add that line, the serial column will have a quantity in red. Click on the plus sign and select which serial numbers are associated with those 5 products. You can select them individually or use the Select Oldest option, which will automatically select the oldest serial numbers for this product. Once the serial numbers have been successfully added, the number will turn green and you will be able to complete that sales order. Similarly, when you create a credit and are returning goods which are serial tracked, the system will prompt you to select the serial numbers. So again, you will click on the plus sign and indicate which serial numbers those returned goods are associated with. Once you have successfully selected those serial numbers, the numbers in the serial column will turn to green and you can go ahead and complete the credit. Thanks for watching.